Picture this. You're creating a single application and it runs flawlessly on all platforms: iOS, Android, Windows. Sounds like a dream, right? Welcome to the world of a cross-platform app developer. This is a role that calls for versatility, creativity, and a unique ability to build bridges between different digital landscapes. It's about crafting applications that transcend boundaries, delivering an exceptional user experience no matter the platform. If this sounds exciting to you, stick around as we dive deeper into the life of a cross-platform app developer. So what does a cross-platform app developer do on a day-to-day basis? Well, imagine being the mastermind behind the apps you use daily. As a cross-platform app developer, you'll be doing just that. Your primary responsibility? Designing and building applications that run seamlessly across multiple platforms. You'll be like an architect sketching blueprints for applications that users will love. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also be the builder turning your designs into reality, coding your way to create an application that's not just functional but also user-friendly. And just like any architect or builder, you'll need to ensure your constructions are sturdy and reliable. That's where troubleshooting comes in. You'll be the inspector, identifying and fixing any hitches, ensuring your app runs smoothly across all platforms. In essence, you'll be the architect, the builder, and the inspector of your own app universe. You'll be the one making sure your app isn't just a star, but a whole galaxy in the app world. Now, what does it take to become an effective cross-platform app developer? Well, let's dive right in. First and foremost, a strong proficiency in coding languages such as JavaScript, CUAS, or Python is a must. But it's not all about the codes. You also need to be a problem solver, able to piece together the puzzle when things don't go as planned. Next, we have the tools of the trade. Familiarity with platforms like Xamarin and React Native is essential. These tools allow you to create apps that can run on multiple platforms, hence the name cross-platform app developer. Understanding of user interface and user experience design principles is also vital to create apps that are not only functional but also user-friendly. And let's not forget about the importance of staying updated with the latest industry trends and technological advancements. With these skills and tools, you'll be well equipped to handle any app development challenge that comes your way. Every job has its ups and downs, and cross-platform app development is no exception. One of the biggest challenges a developer faces is dealing with platform-specific limitations. Cross-platform development means creating applications that run seamlessly on various operating systems. This can sometimes be a tricky task, as each platform has its unique quirks and characteristics. However, the rewards are well worth the effort. As technology continues to advance, the demand for cross-platform app developers is skyrocketing. Companies are always on the lookout for talented individuals who can create applications that work across multiple platforms. In terms of salary, a cross-platform app developer can expect to be competitively compensated. The exact figure can vary significantly depending on the company and location, but rest assured, it's a lucrative field. And let's not forget about the work schedule. Many developers enjoy a flexible schedule with the opportunity to work from anywhere. This means you can tailor your work environment to suit your lifestyle. Despite the challenges, the rewards and the flexibility of this role make it a truly enticing career path. So where can a career in cross-platform app development take you? Well, imagine a path filled with stepping stones, each one a new skill or experience leading you towards a bright horizon. Each step you take in mastering cross-platform app development opens doors to an array of opportunities. You could evolve into a team leader, guiding a group of developers on exciting projects. Or perhaps you may find yourself drawn to a niche area of development, specializing in gaming apps or health and wellness platforms. With constant advancements in technology, the field is always evolving, always innovating. And that, my friends, is the beauty of it. You're not just growing with the industry. You're helping to shape it. Remember, the path to progress isn't always linear. It's about exploration, learning, and pushing boundaries. So keep honing your skills, keep challenging yourself, and most importantly, keep creating. Endless opportunities await in the dynamic field of cross-platform app development. Now that you've got a taste of life as a cross-platform app developer, it's time to take the next step. Engage with the community, share your thoughts, and deepen your understanding by subscribing to our channel. Got a question or a unique insight? Leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Looking for more? Check out our other videos for additional insight. Join our community now and let's navigate the exciting world of cross-platform app development together.